Good morning! Sienna's been dreaming of using her umbrella for months, years now. We can never use it. And today, it's a bit of drizzle, so she's quite happy to use her umbrella at last in the Scotland of India. Good. Namaskara. Breakfast. Sienna, qu'est-ce que tu vas manger? Dosa and a pancake. Okay. A big dosa for Sienna. Dosa is bigger than you. Okay, the hotel make this immunity booster. So for sure a lot of ginger and I don't know what else. Apple, yeah, apple, carrot, celery, probably. It's good. Let's dodge the virus. Tastes good. And a big dosa masala for Daddy. Feeding the fishes.
Ese te hubiese gustado más. Gabriela thinks the swimming pool is cold. See, that's when you're from South America, where the water is like the air. Come, yeah. With Sienna.
Papa, mets tes lunettes.
Sienna loves the pool and she hasn't been in the pool for 4 months now. So she's going crazy here. Having a great time.
Sunset! We are going in the pool!
Yeah! This is also why we chose this resort. They have a villa with private pool and temperature control. And she's having a great time because we don't know what's gonna happen in the coming months. So a long weekend to chill out and have fun. Okay. A proper tree house. Sienna eating rice, the little Indian girl, and she had roti and raw vegetables before, but she loves her rice. Dinner in Coorg. I have a vegetable biryani. Gabriela, what are you eating?
I forgot the name.
You forgot the name? Okay. That looks good though. Those are rice balls.
papadum, roti. Damn, food is really good here. Look at that. A little chapel here in the middle of the resort. The owners must be Christians.
Come! Woo! Oh! Hello!
Hello, good morning everyone. It's Monday morning. We just loaded the car and we are about to drive back to Bangalore. 6 hours. Again, maybe a bit less today, I don't know. Coorg is very nice, very peaceful. Very nice. We had a good time. Sienna enjoyed the pool a lot. I mean, we couldn't go out of the resort, but still, we did some stuff within the resort and the pool. Food was good, so it's nice. Bye bye Coorg, was cool. Hopefully we can come back and properly visit all the area. That would be nice. Take care. We just got back from Coorg to this. This is the lane just behind ours. I'm like now 100 meters from our house. So yeah, it's here now, inside our residential area. So actually we were safer in Coorg, in the middle of nowhere with no one here. It's getting very real. So this lane has been sealed Saturday, apparently, by the city. So yeah, let's see. There we go. Bye bye.